Warning: the contents of this video have made us rich. How would you like to be able to reach more than 1 billion people and put your affiliate link in front of them in just seconds? Better yet, imagine if you could do it all while scrolling on your phone, reaching people in 180 countries and making their phones ping with your affiliate link. But it's not what you think. You could do it all without ever paying for traffic or building a list. In fact, all you need to do to get paid is scroll on your phone. Just think about it. What is everyone doing these days? They're hooked to their phones. The mobile app industry is worth $700 billion a year. People are checking their phones an average of 30 times per day. That's insane. That's right, people are non-stop using their phones, and whoever can get their phones to ping with a notification is guaranteed to end up rich. What if you could exploit this to your advantage and get paid to do so? What if you had a one-click solution that enables you to instantly take care of all your customers' needs? Just copy-paste from your phone and get paid. Traffic included. Affiliate commissions included. All you need is an old phone and internet. This brand new app called Phone4Kash is minting internet millionaires left and right, and it can turn you into the next mobile app king literally overnight. Our platform with lifetime access. We're excited to step into this new era of WhatsApp marketing together. Welcome to Phone4Kash.
Hey there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, software and training courses that generally help you make money online. If your intention is to make money online, here on my channel I come up with products and programs that will definitely help you make money online. And today I have another amazing, very crazy software product called Phone4Kash, and it's going live on the 5th of May 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's at 4 p.m. GMT, and then of course 5 p.m. Central European Time. I don't know your time factor, but in a nutshell, this is a product that is the creators say is a game-changing mobile app software that lets you blast any link to millions of people in seconds through their phones. Imagine a situation where you have the capability to send text messages, notifications, and of course send your links to millions and millions of phones around the world. Basically everybody in this world have access to a telephone, Android or iPhone, and all these phones are at disposal, and you can blast any link of your offer, your offers and links and affiliate links, whatever it is that you are selling online, or whatever information that you want to pass along, you can do it using this software. And the amazing thing is that this very software also creates applications, apps for you, which means you can create app and sell it to clients at your own price. If you visit Fiverr, you will find a couple of information on how much these people actually take to create apps for you, at times 1,200, and this very product is going to help you do that. If this is one that you may require, I will encourage you to use the first link below on my description area. That link will definitely bring you to this amazing bonus page of mine, where you can grab a copy using this link. Hold on a sec. Let us take this one to, let us take it to the side. Okay, so in any case, if you get here on my page, you can always pick up a copy with this very link, and of course go to these green links, light green links. You can always pick up a copy with any of these links scattered all over this page, and that will definitely, if you click them, they will take you to the sales page, where you can get a discount using this very pop-up that will appear once you log in there, and then if you click this link to get a discount on this very front end. I think a discount of $4 or $5 there, but I'm not sure, but we'll find out later. Okay, with that said, when you do so, you'll be able to have access to this very Phone4Kash product, and of course you can begin to create your apps. You can begin to blast your links or your offers or website blogs, whatever it is, squeeze pages to billions of telephone numbers across the world. And this, you know what it means, it translates to getting the information you need to actually make money online. And with that said, if you stick with me, I will show you through all the information I have here. Now, it is fully cloud-based mobile app builder, done for you mobile app template in multiple niches, done for you website to display your app portfolio to clients, turn any website page into a fully fledged mobile app. That means if you have a website, you can actually turn with this very software that website into an app, or for whatever reason. Okay, so and it has both iOS and Android compatibility and one-time payment only, no monthly fees. I mean, and that is basically what you get with this one. It's a crazy one that you will make money for you, because everybody has a phone, and this has that capability to not only create the app that you can sell on Fiverr, Upwork, or any of the freelancer networks. You can always use it to blast links to any telephone in the world. And that is basically what this one is all about. If you stick with me, I will show you through my bonuses and show you through the sales page. But unfortunately, I have no access to the review access for the dashboard area of this. For reasons of password, I couldn't get it uploaded here for you to see. But in any way, what I'm telling you is exactly what the product is doing. And now let us see the prices for this one. The front end price goes for, I think, $17, but with the coupon you saw here, you will have it for far more less than that. That means you will have it around $12 thereabout. And here you have the you have it for $15. That means there's $2 discount. This is the downsell, which goes for $15. Now, the upgrade number one is the unlimited version of this product. It goes for $37, and this will give you the pro version, which means if there is any shortfall on this very $15 front end that gives you all those capabilities, you will be able to cover it with this one, which means it's recommended. Get this. Then upgrade number two will be pro downsell, which is $26. That means this is the downsell of this very one. At upgrade number this, you get the downsell of the pro version. Okay, and that means you have it for $27. And here you have the Phone4Kash done for you, which means everything is basically done for you, and you can have it for $26. And here you have the reseller, and you can have it for downsell of $97. And of course, IMX bundle will go for $97. So these are all optionals, and of course, you can always get IMX downsell for $67. So you can see it's structured very well in the sense that this is downsell, which is cheaper. This is the cheaper of the OTOs, of the upsells, so you can get exactly what you want, because done for you is good and the upgrade is good, and it's highly recommended. And with that said, let me show you exactly what you have as benefits when you get here using my link, and of course that will give you all the information, and it's 100% newbie friendly, and it has 3 basic steps to set up. Step 1, log into Phone4Kash. Step 2, use their done for you templates or drag and drop to publish the mobile app of your dream. And of course, step 3, blast any offer or link to millions of phones across the world, like I told you before, and begin to get the clicks that you need to make money for yourself. So, and it has a 30-day money back guarantee. I think more than that. Okay, so now with that said, here are my amazing bonuses for you. Bonus number 1, 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot. Bonus number 2, how to create free professional website. Bonus number 3, how to convert your traffic fast. Bonus number 4 will be how to get targeted traffic to any link or offer of your choice, which complements with Phone4Kash that blasts links to phones. So you can imagine what you have here, and all the vendor bonuses for this product, which I'm going to show you later, will be yours. When you click this, I told you, if you click here, you get this discount with this coupon. And of course, when you do, under your purchase history on my Wallet Plus account, you find a page that looks like this. Here you have access to Phone4Kash product, and here you have access to these amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. And if there is any issue, you can always use this email address to get in touch. And with that said, we will now take a look at the sales page together and see what we have there. So, like I told you before, reach millions of people's phones with this ultimate mobile profit system at a low one-time price, and you will always have that information. If you click here when you get here, if you don't want to use the coupon for the discount, you will definitely have it for that very bottom. And here you have all the screenshots, which are basically very much, as long as I'm concerned, but I think it's for sales purposes. In any case, what this phone does is to help you create apps and help you blast links to telephones across the world. So buy this product for what it does. Okay, now here are the testimonials that you will have access to, and of course, if you stick with me, I will show you quickly the very bonus from the vendor that I promised to give you, vendor bonuses, so you can see what you have as the bonuses from vendor. Bonus number 1 will be built-in masterclass to get you 1,000 per month, and bonus number 2 will be Phone4Kash commercial license, and those are 2 bonuses from the vendor, and of course you have 4 from me, making it 6 crazy bonuses for your consideration, so that you can get a copy using my link. And here you have the very bonus page of mine where we are going to review. If you are new to my channel, this is the time where I ask you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. Definitely, this is where we come to the end of this very short one, Phone4Kash, a crazy product at that, from Mike and Mbadiwe. And you can always take advantage of this and begin to make money as if you are on Fiverr selling apps that are created with this Phone4Kash as app creation software. And of course, you can use it to blast your links of affiliate links and other links, and whatever you have out there online as business, you'll be able to blast it to millions of telephones across the world, and that translates to making money online. So this is where we end it for Phone4Kash. I'll come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me from here. Goodbye.